Well, there's more fallout from last month's windstorm that fueled the wildfires.
Yeah, the city of Burbank announcing today that the Starlight Bowl can't host summer events due to wind damage. Our Desmond Shaw assessed the situation from SkyCal this afternoon.
Well, here we are over the beloved Starlight Bowl in the hills of Burbank, and it was to be celebrating its 75th anniversary this year. It was built in 1950. Sadly, that's not going to happen this summer season because as I zoom in, check out the damage that the bowl suffered, sadly, because of those horrible winds that we had back in early January that caused the Palisades and Eaton fires. Well, we have another casualty that has been claimed. And as I widen out, you can see not only was the roof partially ripped off, but several of the beautiful trees here in the back were felled as well. It looks like at least 6 trees were knocked over, and that's just the damage that we can see. So the city of Burbank just made this announcement. They will not be hosting the summer 2025 season, but kind of a silver lining here. They're going to take an opportunity to do some big renovations and some big investments in the Starlight Bowl. So it's unclear what all they're going to be doing or what the time frame will be for reopening this local landmark. But it will not be open. The more than 2,000-seat Starlight Bowl, a beloved place for events in the summertime, almost like a mini Hollywood Bowl. Hopefully it'll reopen soon, but it's not going to happen this summer. Reporting over Burbank and SkyCal, I'm Desmond Shaw. Back to you now in the studio.